Hello students, welcome back. This video lecture for class 7 subject science chapter number 8 and that is wind, storms and cyclone. Isn't it? So topics to be covered by this video lecture will be what is wind, what are the causes of wind, how could you measure wind speed, why does hot air go up, and what is thunderstorm and what is the structure of tornado, isn't it? So let us start with the wind. Already we have discussed in previous video lecture that what is wind. Wind, that is nothing, it is only, we can say, moving air is called wind. As you are able to see here, whatever, wherever, from which direction the wind is coming or moving another way, that is called wind. That means we can say moving air, जो भी air move कर रही है, that is called wind. Now the question is, what are their main causes of wind? Okay, wind क्यों हो रहा है? So for that we can say there are mainly two reasons due to that wind occurs. First of all we will discuss about temperature, right? So as temperature of any place increases, अगर किसी भी place का temperature increase हो रहा है, what will happen? The air warms up. Air warm हो जाएगी and what will happen after warm? After warm of the air will be lighter and it will be rises up, right? As it will be lighter and it will rises up. So what is the cause of wind? We can say the temperature of any place, temperature of that particular place where it will be increase. If temperature will increase, air will be rises up due to the lighter. Second reason cause we can say pressure, right? As air pressure of air decreases, जैसे ही किसी भी place का pressure of temperature will be decrease, the air moves from higher pressure to the lower pressure. ठीक है, so we can say these are the two main causes due to air move, due to wind move, isn't it? Second question now. अब हमने विंड के बारे में तो रीड कर लिया है ना, विंड के रीजंस क्या हैं जिसके कारण विंड ब्लो कर रहा है, इजंट इट? बट नाउ व्हाट इज़ द क्वेश्चन, हाउ कैन यू नो दैट व्हाट इज़ द विंड स्पीड, है ना? हाउ कुड यू एबल टू नो व्हाट इज़ द विंड स्पीड एंड व्हाट इज़ द रीजंस बिहाइंड दैट? कि अगर विंड का स्पीड तेज़ है तो हाउ कैन यू कंट्रोल इट? व्हाट आर द इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच इज़ यूज टू कंट्रोल द wind and what are the instrument by which you can understand what is the wind, isn't it? So let's move to the topic. This instrument by which we can measure the wind speed, that is anemometer. What is that? That is anemometer. As you are able to see in this figure, the figure of anemometer, this is the device which is used to measure wind speed. This is the device by which you can measure wind speed, is called anemometer. Since wind speed plays an important role in the formation of storm also. हमें पता है विंड स्पीड को मेज़र करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ हो रहा है दैट इज़ एनीमोमीटर. बट अलॉन्ग विथ एनीमोमीटर इज़ यूज टू नो by this we can predict the cyclones also, है ना? साइक्लोन और स्टॉर्म कहाँ से आ रहा है एंड इवन और इन साइक्लोन प्रोन एरिया में कहाँ पे साइक्लोन किस स्पीड में विंड स्पीड आएगी तो जिसके कारण साइक्लोन पे और स्टॉर्म्स पे भी इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है, राइट? सो एनीमोमीटर इज़ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट, इज़ द डिवाइस बाय विच वी कैन मेजर द विंड स्पीड एंड अलॉन्ग विथ वी कैन प्रिडिक्ट द cyclone and storm of that particular area, isn't it? Next topic which we are going to discuss, that how hot air rises up. What is the reason that hot air rises up and cool air sink? So to understand this topic we are discussing that when we heat the air, जैसे एयर को हीट देंगे दैट विल एक्सपांड. हमें पता है कोई भी चीज़ को हीट जैसे ही मिलता है तो इट विल बी एक्सपांड, आइदर इट इज़ इन लिक्विड फॉर्म और इन गैसियस फॉर्म, isn't it? जैसे ही पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस को हीट किया जाएगा तो स्टेट विल चेंज, है ना? सेम थिंग विथ एयर. एज एयर विल बी हीटेड इट विल राइजेज अप. एज यू आर एबल टू सी हियर, ज़मीन की एयर, जो लैंड की एयर है, दैट विल बी ड्यू टू द हीट ऑफ द सन एंड अनदर रीजन्स इट विल बी राइजेज अप. एंड व्हाट विल हैपन, we know that when same thing occupies more space, है ना, it becomes lighter. अगर यही चीज़ ज़्यादा स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रही है, it means it will be lighter. The warm air is therefore lighter than the cold air. Warm air lighter होने के कारण rises up होने लगेगी, and what will happen? The cool air which will be sink down. It will take the space. It will occupy the space of hot air where hot air was previously on landed. Right? जहाँ पे हॉट एयर थी वो हॉट एयर राइज हीट मिलने के कारण एक्सपांड होने लगी, और जो कूल एयर सिंक हो रहा था एटमॉस्फेयर में, दैट विल बी कम्स डाउन एंड इट विल टेक द प्लेस ऑफ द हॉट एयर, isn't it? Or we can say cool air replaces hot air. So this is the reason why hot air rises up. Clear? Next topic, that what are monsoon winds? This is a geographical topic. Though we are going to explain, though we are going to understand that what are the monsoon winds. As you are able to see here, the winds are blowing from upper side to downside. So how could it be possible? Let's see. The air over the land gets heated and rises up. Just now we have talked about, as air will be lighter, it will be rises up, and what will happen due to the rises up, due to the lightness, it will be rises up, and this cause the wind to flow. What will happen? This cause the wind to flow from down to wind to flow from the oceans towards the land. लैंड ओशन की से लैंड की तरफ विंड फ्लो करने लगेगी ड्यू टू द हीटनेस, ड्यू टू द लाइटर, है ना. these are called monsoon winds. What are these called? These are called monsoon winds. The word monsoon is derived from the Latin word that is from the Arabic word that is mawsam, which means seasons, right? The monsoon winds carry water and its rain. जो monsoon wind है, that means the winds which blow from ocean to land that are carrying water and it rains, isn't it? Next again topic that is very much important. What is thunderstorm? Okay, what is thunderstorm? So as you are able to see in this figure, thunderstorm develops in hot, humid, tropical regions. Generally it occurs in hot, humid, tropical areas. The rising temperature producing strong upward rising winds. These winds carry water droplets. These wind carrying water droplets, droplets upward where they freeze. What is generally happen? See, जैसे ही wind blow करना start करेगी और lighter होने के कारण वो rises up होगी, उसका temperature जैसे ही increase होगा, what will happen? It will go rises upward side, and what will do it there? These wind carry water droplets also. जी जो winds थी वो क्या साथ में ले जा रही है? अपने साथ water droplets भी ले जा रही है, और जैसे ही वो लाइटर होने के साथ ऊपर जाती गई, एटमॉस्फेयर से वाटर कलेक्ट किया, दैट विल कैरी विथ इट टूवर्ड्स विथ इट, एंड इट विल बी फ्रीज. वहाँ पे जाके वो फ्रीज हो जाएगी एंड फॉल डाउन अगेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेन, राइट. इट विल बी फ्रीज at upside and it will be fall down in the form of rain. The swift movement, the falling water droplets along with the rising air, that means जो rising air थी उसके साथ जो ये movement हो रहा है falling water droplets का, right, that will create lightning, and sound. एटमॉस्फेयर में पहले से जैसे ही एयर राइजेज अप होने लगी उसके साथ वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स थे, दैट विल बी हैवियर. ड्यू टू द हैवीनेस इट विल बी फ्रोजन डाउन, फ्रीज, एंड आफ्टर फ्रीज इट विल फॉल डाउन अगेन. जैसे ही वो फॉल डाउन होगा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेन, व्हाट विल हैपन? Along with the rising air, it will create lightning and sound. This event is called thunderstorm, isn't it? This event is called thunderstorm. I am repeating again the topic. The rising temperature produce strong upwards rising winds, है ना. These winds carry water droplets. These winds carrying water droplets upward where they freeze and fall down again. Okay, Now what will happen? The swift movement of the falling water droplets along with rising air creates lightning and sound. This event is known as thunderstorm. Clear? Next topic, the last topic of today's video, that is structure of tornado. The structure of tornado, as you are able to see, here is the image is given. That image is the of the tornado. It look like a funnel shape, है ना, जैसे कि आप दिख रहे हैं इस फिगर में कैसी शेप का दिख रहा है, funnel shape, and it will rises up to down. It will come from up to down side. How it will create? Let's understand. So what is the tornado? Tornado is a dark funnel shaped cloud. Okay, what is that? It is dark funnel shaped cloud. The diameter of tornado, it can be 1 meter or it can be even 1 kilometer or even more than it. ठीक है, उसका diameter 1 meter से लेके 1 kilometer or more than it also it can be. Then we can say the funnel of tornado sucks dust. Generally उसके साथ basically कौन सी things होते हैं? It connect with it suck dust and the particles which are nearby it. जो भी उसके near particles हैं, जो भी उसके nearby जो भी things हैं, all the things it carrying with it and at the base and thrown them out near the top. ठीक है, thrown them out near the top. So we can say this is the just like a cloud which look like a funnel shape. It is dark colored and it is having dust and everything or whatever the things nearby this funnel, all things carrying along with it, and it comes down to the up to downside, isn't it? And how can you protect yourself by the tornado? So we can say, how can you protect from the tornado? As you are thinking that tornado is harmful for we people, tornado will be create the destruction for human life, है ना. तो उसको अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हमें as the figure is given, this is by this action, by this posture we can protect ourselves from the tornado. So here we are going to complete today's this chapter. Hope so you all have understood. In next video lecture we will meet with some other topic. Till that, take care. Goodbye.